How to fix Slack sound not working on PC. So if your team is messaging you on Slack, but you aren't hearing a single chime, ding, or incoming call alert, it can cause you to miss urgent updates. So I'm going to show you how to fix Slack sound issues on your PC so you never miss another ping. So firstly, let's make sure that Slack's internal sound controls aren't accidentally turned off inside the app. So click on your profile picture here, navigate to Preferences, then click on Notifications, and scroll down to Sound and Appearance. Let me find that. There you go, Sound and Appearance. And make sure that the box for Mute All Sounds from Slack is completely unchecked. Okay, so make sure that it's not checked here. Next, look at the drop-down menu next to Notification Sound, right here. And if it says None, click Add it, or click it and select a specific chime. So in my case, it's set to drop. Click on this drop-down, and I'll just set it to plink, for example. There you go, you heard that sound. So the next time I get a notification, I'll get this precise sound to play to get me notified about a new alert. And if that didn't do it, scroll all the way down and under Deliver Notifications Via, choose a other source, for example, Windows Action Center, or just Slack's built-in notifications, like this. You don't need to apply anything, it's saved automatically. Alright guys, and now if your app preferences are correct, Windows might be your fault. So make sure that you click on the speaker icon right over here, then you click right here, and make sure that you where you have your Slack in here, right? Make sure that this volume slider, say for example I have OBS, right? So make sure that it's not set to say 0%, but it's all the way up to the 100, right? And this will make sure that you get your sound setting, you get your notifications in the 100% volume. Also make sure, guys, to lastly open up your settings, then go to Focus Assist, Focus Settings, and make sure that this focus mode is not turned on, because if it's on, it will mute all of the sounds and notifications in your system completely globally. So that is it. Just try out these fixes, guys. If our video helped, subscribe.